काफ़ी क्लाइंट ऐसे थे, यार ठंडी हवा ही चाहिए, नहीं क्यों बेजामारी करता है, तू भी इतना टाइम बिगाड़ता है, उससे अच्छा ख़त्म करने लगा के।
द चीपेस्ट इज द एयर कंडीशनिंग वेंडर ऑफ द होल प्रोजेक्ट। वो आपको एसी भी सप्लाई कर रहा है, उसका इंस्टॉलेशन भी कर रहा है, आपको सर्विस भी दे रहा है, और वो प्रोडक्ट 10 साल तक उसको मेंटेन करके आपको देना है।
I had just started my practice in 1994. Started with some of the smaller projects, and the journey is about to continue with 30 years.
Probably when my father had joined hands and started business, so I got to know during that time is he was in his college days when he got his first project. So putting sketches in the late night, he used to draw the drawings for the project, and with that fees he paid his fees to complete the architecture degree, and that is what the story and the journey started.
Yeah.
And since that time my father and Vishal bhai were associated.
Actually मैं ना AutoCAD के क्लास कर रहा था. At that moment Umesh was a part of their family business, that is of Ganesh Plastic Packaging Industry, and साथ में ही वो उसके AC भी असेंबल करके बेचने का उसका शौक था. तो उसको कंप्यूटर पे डिज़ाइन करने का, उस ज़माने में कंप्यूटर पे डिज़ाइन नहीं होती थी, वो हाथ से ही वो ब्लॉक ब्रेक होता था. तो एज आई नो द कंप्यूटर्स एंड आई वाज इन द लर्निंग विद द AutoCAD, सो ही यूज्ड टू सिट विथ मी एंड सेड इसकी डिज़ाइन बना देना, इसकी डिज़ाइन बना देना कंप्यूटर पे. वो हिसाब से हमारा जर्नी स्टार्ट हुआ. तब से तो दोस्ती शुरू हुई. फिर बोलता है कि मैं AC असेंबल करता हूँ, विंडो ACs. लेकिन जब फर्स्ट टाइम ब्लू स्टार का एक प्रोजेक्ट के लिए मुझे ऐसा लगा कि डक्टेबल AC पूरे सूरत में है नहीं, और दैट वाज द लास्ट स्टोर एट दैट मोमेंट. दैट वाज 2500 स्क्वायर फीट ऑफ द स्टोर, 95 आई थिंक 94-95. तो मैंने उमेश को बताया कि एक काम करते हैं, इसमें डक्टेबल AC ढूंढते हैं. तो उसने ढूंढ के दिया कि भाई ब्लू स्टार इज़ द वेरी गुड कंपनी, यहाँ सूरत में कोई है नहीं. तो फर्स्ट टाइम हम लोगों ने ब्लू स्टार को सूरत में इंट्रोडक्शन दिया कि चल डक्टेबल AC लगाते हैं. और उस वक्त डब्बे भी जो बनते थे डक्टिंग के, वो साइड पे भी आके वो पतरे से ठोक ठाक करके बनाते थे. तो देयर वी हैव स्टार्टेड. एयर कंडीशन के लिए जो स्पेस चाहिए ना, बड़े मशीन्स के लिए स्पेशली, फॉरगेट अबाउट विंडो एंड स्प्लिट्स, बट डक्टेबल्स एंड एवरीथिंग, उसके लिए एक स्पेस एनहांसमेंट चाहिए कि वो स्पेस निकालने का कहाँ से. फ्लोर स्पेस पे निकालते हैं, दैट इज़ अ कॉस्टली स्पेस. पहले तो वो भी लगाते थे क्योंकि और कोई रास्ता नहीं था. तब सीलिंग डक्टेबल उतने पावरफुल नहीं थे, तब पैकेज AC करके आता था. उसका डब्बा, उसको कवर अप करने का, उसका आवाज़ आता है तो उसके लिए अकॉस्टिक बंद करने का, ये सब सिस्टम को पहले से डिज़ाइन जो करना पड़ता है. तब ये चैलेंज यही आती है कि सबसे पहले तो डब्बा रखेंगे कहाँ पे. 100 स्क्वायर फीट जगह बिगाड़ देता हूँ तो 100 स्क्वायर फीट में क्लाइंट चिल्लाने लगता है कि 1000 फुट के अंदर या 2000 फुट के अंदर भी तूने हर एक फ्लोर पे 100 स्क्वायर फीट ले रहा है AC के लिए. उससे अच्छा विशाल भाई स्प्लिट लगा के ख़त्म करो. तो उसको वो समझाने का कि वो ख़त्म नहीं करना है, और जब डक्टेबल क्यों लेना है वो क्लाइंट को समझाने का, दैट वाज द ब्लडी बिग चैलेंज ऑन दोज डेज. कि वाई वी नीड अ सिंपल डक्टेबल, जस्ट अ ग्रिल, and machine will be placed somewhere else where the service guy will not be troubling in the retail areas. ओके. और रेजिडेंस में भी आज बेडरूम के अंदर बेड के ऊपर एक स्प्लिट लगाओ, तो जब भी वो 3 महीने में आएगा तो 3-4 महीने में उसको डब्बा खोल के वहीं पे रिपेयर करने का. तो प्लेसमेंट ऑफ एयर कंडीशनिंग, लेंदर पाइप ऑफ द इंडोर टू आउटडोर, ये सब जो छोटी चैलेंजेस थी. और ये चैलेंजेस सब हम लोग डिज़ाइन पे हम मिल के दोनों सेटल कर लेते थे, लेकिन उसके बाद में कॉस्ट आता है. तो वो भी क्लाइंट को समझाने का कि कंपेयर टू ट्रेडिशनल एयर कंडीशनिंग यही है. काफ़ी क्लाइंट ऐसे थे, यार ठंडी हवा ही चाहिए, नहीं क्यों बेजामारी करता है, तू भी इतना टाइम बिगाड़ता है, उससे अच्छा ख़त्म करने लगा के.
सी नॉर्मली पहले कैसा होता था कि अभी जब भी क्लाइंट कोई मांग देता ना, वी यूज्ड टू गिव इट अवे बिकॉज वी यूज्ड टू नॉट क्वेश्चन. स्लोली ग्रेजुअली हम उनको लगाते तो दे देते थे, लेकिन फिर बाद में कंप्लेंट हमारे ऊपर आती थी. द इमेज, द ब्रांड, एवरीथिंग गेट्स हैम्पर्ड बिकॉज at that point of time the customer is not ready to listen and recollect that you had warned me not to install this AC, but still only on my request and my stubbornness I had to install it because I asked from you. He is never going to remind it. इसलिए या तो the best option is, sir, I would rather suggest that if somebody else can fulfill the requirement, you can proceed with him because I know what troubles you are going to face. Sometimes it also happens that we know there is a requirement of X tonnages in the room, but the client says, "I am more comfortable with only this much ton. मैं यूज़ कर रहा था, ये था वो था, लेकिन then in the summer he calls up, बोला ये तो आपका डब्बा AC ठंडा ही नहीं हो रहा है, मुझे तो बहुत गर्मी लग रही है. मेरे पुराने वाले AC में होता था. पुराने वाले AC जब आप खरीदते थे तब 50-50 हज़ार रुपये का 1 टन का AC आता था. That is around a decade back. That cost has come down to 40%, 50% lower now. So the brand, the competition, the product which is growing day by day is also being designed in that way, and that is where is affecting, and the clients are not ready to listen on this. At the end, when the customer enters in to his premises and is buying something and he feels that this is not working properly, he will not say that it was me who decided to install only this much ton. The vendor said, लेकिन बोला सर है तो हमने लगा के गलती कर दी, और लगा के गलती कर दी, और फिर हमारा जब नाम बहुत प्राउडली से वो बताएगा, दैट इज़ वेयर द ब्रांड गेट्स हैम्पर्ड. द चीपेस्ट इज द एयर कंडीशनिंग प्रोजेक्ट ऑफ द होल वेंडर ऑफ द होल प्रोजेक्ट. वो आपको AC भी सप्लाई कर रहा है, उसका इंस्टॉलेशन भी कर रहा है, आपको सर्विस भी दे रहा है, और वो प्रोडक्ट 10 साल तक उसको मेंटेन करके आपको देना है. Whenever we get a drawing from his office, probably we do understand that it would be either a ducting or something. We give a sketch also considering the same, but then he gives a call. बोला किसने बोला ऐसा डिज़ाइन करने के लिए, मैंने तो दिया नहीं आपको. बोलो नहीं सर, we thought that it is supposed to be done in the same way. बोलो नहीं, I want something new. When I ask him what is new, बोला this is what when I visited this place and I saw something like this. So he sends me some link of photographs and the end of that, this is what the grill is looking, this is how the duct finishing is looking, where are you, what are you doing, why is not done by you, or something like that. So that is a challenge which we get, and that is how we have opted something or the other new things, and we've tried to blend in with the requirement of whatever they are demanding, and we try to make it that we have to fulfill it at come what may conditions. That is also a challenge that we like it, because if today we keep on selling the same old cupboard type air conditioning system, now due to the changes in the globalization, everybody else, the competition also doing the same. If I and we both are doing the same thing, what is the justification that you can give it to the client or to the deliverables of the project that something is done differently? So that is where that challenge has always been accepted, and we've been fulfilling for many of our clients and architects. So one of them is definitely Vishal Bhai, because number of jobs we have done where he has requested the client that I have a vendor who is from Surat. Probably if somebody from here local would be charging 100 rupees, he would be around 10% costly because he has to send team from Surat. But he has convinced the client, and we have done jobs for them. And the jobs like in Pune, I just mentioned, Allahabad, Varanasi, Jamshedpur, Banaras, Delhi, Chandigarh, Calcutta. So wherever probably once there is a way of architect who is very smoothen the project with us, he will not leave us, that is for sure. Slowly, gradually, when I came into the picture, he gave me a better, more challenge than him, where the company said, I will not supply you the AC. If you want to take from any other else company, but this is not the one project that we are looking for, because हमको पता है इसमें प्रॉब्लम आएगा. ये बोल रहे कि मुझे लगाना यही है, ब्रांड भी यही चाहिए, लगाएगा भी तू, और ऐसे लगाना भी ऐसे ही है. Now you do whatever you want. So we had to change the name of the project. We got the machines import directly from the company on some other customer's name, and we installed it. On the day of inauguration, he said that he called the company person. Bola, where are you? Bola, sir, I'm in Surat only. Bola, come at this place. I want to meet you urgently. He came running and bola, tell me Vishal bhai, what is it? Bola, this is the project which you denied me and Jayat that you are not going to supply the AC. This is the AC that is installed of your own brand. We got it from somebody other name and we got it imported with some other name and we have installed. He is only the person who has installed and you can check the temperature. The AC is running. So next time, do not say me no. And do not deny when I think that this can be done. You can give me a suggestion. बोला सर इतना नहीं ऐसा कर लो तो चलेगा लेकिन तुम मना कर दो ना तो वो मेरे लिए चैलेंज खड़ा हो जाएगा and that challenge I will always try and make sure that it is fulfilled.
It is fulfilled. It has to be done. हमारे लिए तो ऐसा है कि कोई भी MEP मतलब ऑल द सर्विसेज ओके एस्थेटिकली देखने जाए तो अगर एज अ आर्किटेक्ट जैसे एज अ आर्किटेक्ट सिविल कंसल्टेंट को भी हम लोग जब हायर करते हैं तो हम तो शायद वेग वे में ऐसा ही सोचते हैं कि बिना कॉलम या बिना बीम का ही बिल्डिंग होना चाहिए, नो हर्डल्स. एग्जैक्टली सेम थिंग. एस्थेटिकली तो मुझे बिना कॉलम का मिले कितना ही बड़ा बिल्डिंग हो और बीम का डेप्थ नहीं चाहिए, जस्ट अ स्लैब, फ्लैट स्लैब. दैट इज़ द बेस्ट व्हाट वी कैन डू. बट प्रैक्टिकली इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल इन ऑल द केसेस. वैसे ही अगर डिज़ाइनिंग की बात करें एस्थेटिक की तो कोशिश यही रहती है कि MEP सर्विसेज शुड नॉट बी सीन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल it has a function, it should do a well good functioning, but it should not be seen as a aesthetic propping it out. Okay.
खाली AC को प्लेस नहीं करना है. It is about to blend in with the architect and interior designers with their ceiling design or with their interior designs, and we give the air conditioning solution. There is a client from Calcutta and we are making a showroom for him. So I need some air conditioning system to be designed. I said, sir, it is a showroom. We have already been doing since years. So you give me the place from the terrace. We'll get the ducts vertically down and we'll put it on every floor. So he said, okay, no, that is not what I want. But then what is it? Well, there are 4 different floors. All the 4 floors has all 4 different requirements. So we have to give him a system.
And height is also different.
And height is also different. But sir, how is it possible that you have designed the building and the floor height is different on all 4 floors? Well, no, the building is ready. He's taken it on rent from somebody. We only have to do the interiors. I said, then what is the height? So he said 12 feet, 8 feet, 8 feet and then 10 feet. I said, how will we design in 8 feet? That is a challenge, because 8 feet, if the total height of the slab to slab height is 8 feet, if I take a 12 inches duct also, so that is 1 feet will go away, so 7 feet will be the ceiling. So any person 5.5 to probably near about 6 feet, if he raises his hand, is going to touch the ceiling. How are we going to manage? And he didn't want any of the machines to be seen. So no split AC, no cassette AC, nothing.
No vertical towers.
No vertical towers, nothing. He said that I want only grills to be seen everywhere. I said, Miru sir, let's meet up and understand what is the exact requirement. So we went and we met him and he made us, showed some 3Ds that he had made. There we blended in, where we gave solutions for a ground floor which is a different air conditioning system, for the first and second floor which has got different lounges for the customer. So Pangat Sarees is altogether a ladies wear. They manufacture lehengas for bridals and even groom wear also. So they have rooms separately for a family who is coming, and their trial rooms happens here. The showcase of the clothing happens in that room. Now that room is only on probably operating when our customer comes in. So they don't want the air conditioning running through all the day.
Running throughout the day.
So that was another challenge, because you had to give, if
all
there are 6
machines.
Rooms on one floor, you have to give 6 different machines on one floor. Another challenge was we do not have space for outdoor units also. So indoor units are different, outdoor unit is common. So that is where we blended it with a system called as VRV. But उसमें भी डक लगा के देना, दैट वाज अनदर चैलेंज, बिकॉज वो वॉल देने को तैयार नहीं है, सीलिंग डाउन करने को तैयार नहीं है, लेकिन चाहिए ग्रिली, तो कैसे करके दे. एंड सो एंड हाउ वी जब वो बता रहे थे कि इतना बड़ा रूम है, तो हम बोले सर थोड़ा छोटा कर लो, यहाँ पे हम मशीन रख देंगे, ग्रिल यहाँ पे दे दूंगा तो आपका भी रूम बैठ जाएगा, आपको जो ग्रिल चाहिए वो भी मिल जाएगी, एंड दैट इज़ हाउ वी कैन ब्लेंड. बोला नहीं, तो रूम तो छोटा नहीं कर सकता, क्योंकि कस्टमर बोल रहा है, क्योंकि नॉर्मली जब फैमिली आती है 8 जन तो वो मिनिमम आ जाते हैं 6 से 8 के बैच में, तो 6 पीपल का सीटिंग के साथ with somebody to stand and show the clothing, you need space, so I cannot give you. And that is where we came up with low height machines, and we got it designed specially, and that is an AHU that we installed, and that is how we gave
That is all just 8 inches height.
8 inches height, and that is how we gave the air conditioning system to them.
And no,
Squeeze in.
yeah.
And then other floor, which was the sari showroom on the upper floor, where again the height was less, and that is where he didn't want separate machines, but he wanted a common duct, and that duct height also wanted to be very less because it was a lesser flow height. So that is where we introduced a fabric duct, which was import from Czech Republic. We had imported that fabric duct, which was a semicircle shape, so not a round, not a square, and not a rectangle. It was a half round duct shape, and that is also where a challenge that we had. So that is how we had sufficed his requirement, and with the client and Vishal Bhai both were very happy with the solution that we provided.
All right, we'll take a cut. That was great.